Alright, today I'm going to show you how to batch rename a group of files, in this case audio files, that are in a list using the free program Foobar 2000, which you can download from the internet. In this example, I have a list of audio files. These were recorded in Spanish, but for some reason put the name in English. And I want to change all the names from Psalms to Salmos, but I want to leave all these original numbers here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it all over to Foobar 2000. It's processing them. There's 150 files here. Right click. The first thing we do is go to Properties and Tools. Now we need to add our track numbers as our first step. So we do auto track number, and this is a great thing you can do with any kind of audio files. Apply, and all this is going to do is it's going to put a number for each file, and it's going to do it in the order that they're in. They were already in order by these files. So we're going to wait until that finishes, and now all of these will have the track numbers as an identifying feature of the file. Okay. Alright, so now you see the track number there, and this is actually changing the original file here in the folder. Now they all have track numbers. Okay, now what we're going to do is we want to change the title. At the moment, these don't have a title at all. But even if they do, you can go ahead and do this. Right click, select them all right clicked, and go to Properties again, Tools again, and this time we're going to do automatically fill values. Okay, we're going to go to the source, Other, and we're going to use as the source, we're going to use as track values now. We want to use the track number to get the correct number, but we want to put the title. We're going to call this Salmos because it's from the El Libro de Salmos, and I'll space in it. And as you notice, this is what will be now the new title here. Now we want to be renaming the title, so we do %title and %, and this is going to put in this new track title. So we hit OK and apply. Now it's going to go change the names of all 150 files. It'll change the title. Now the title is what shows up. For example, when you open this up on some device and it shows you what's playing, that's actually the title. So that's what we want to be able to see here. So now we have the title changed there and in the original files. But in this case, I also want to change the name. So when I pull it up on my computer, I'll see that. So we go back here, right click, and go to File Operations and Rename. Now what is the source for our name? Well, we're going to use the title, and we're going to make the name the same as the title. So we do %title %, hit Run, and that's all there is to it. Close. As we go back to the original, we see all the names are now changed to Salmos and the following number. All 150 files in just a few minutes instead of doing it one by one.